Okay, today we have a project to work on. I'm going to replace the undercover of my Tesla Model 3. 2018, I have 270,000 miles on it. Used to have the plastic ones. Recently replaced it with a, like the original one. It lasted a little bit, but with all the flooding we have here and the speed bumps, it kind of gets ruined pretty quickly. Right now we got some storms in the area. Hopefully I can do this before we get done. To show you what I'm looking at underneath here. Hope you can see that. But right now it's not very easy. I don't have any jacks, so I'm improvising. I'm using this lip here. I'm going to pull the car up on, and that should give me enough room to get underneath and access it. Show you what I'm working on here. Got a bunch of screws to remove, a couple of tie straps I had temporarily that I need to take out, and we'll pull that off and put the new one on. This is the new one. It's aluminum. And I was trying to straighten out that corner there. It's a little bit bent, but it should be okay. The other side. Luckily it has this type of matting here which will help cut the noise down. Access panel in case you have to get underneath. This is aluminum, I can move it a little bit easily. So that looks like that should work fine. So yeah, we have, there's going to be 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 underneath the car, and then other screws are usually 10 millimeter. My outer 2 in the front, I believe have been stripped out, so I'm going to try to find some way to take care of that. I'm going to take out the front and see if I can see underneath there. Okay, I'm moving the front, hoping I might be able to see something up here to help with the 2 that are missing, but I don't see anything here at all that will help me, so I probably didn't need to do that. But let's get over here and start taking out these screws. And zip ties that I have here. Get it over here. There's two more way back bends I gotta grab. Those are always a pain. Other one, those nuts are a little bit bigger. I think they're 11 millimeters. Nope. We're getting 11. Here's what I remember, right? Okay. These bolts are 215 millimeters. It's important to protect your battery on the car, that's why. I figured since this one is already starting to deteriorate, let's replace it with an aluminum one, give me a little more protection over here. That is the old panel, similar to the original on the Teslas. That's the one we're replacing it with. We'll try this one here in a minute. This is close. I'm trying to get this bolt to move over a little bit to go in that hole. I can't get it to move over. I know. And they're loose. Some wires in the bag. Some glasses over there.
Try me turn back. Because this thing got bent.
No, I just put that in there.
Oh.
I'm trying to find the socket.
Which one, the smaller one?
Yeah, 10 millimeter one, yeah. 15 on that for the bolts.
Here, this one. Is this it?
No, that's the small piece.
Did it ring it over there?
Yeah. Oh, 89.
What?
But you're giving David Copperfield the wrong person money.
No. Turn David Copperfield around tools. Dice, te haces mago, pero alrededor de herramientas. Y el 916. What the hell?
You're rolled all the way across the parking lot?
No, ¿tú crees que roló un payaso? ¿Llegas a llegó a ti en eso, o qué? No, la gente que pasó eso llegó.
And the worst thing is, that's what I really need.
¿No traes tú uno algo?
You walk back over here, you have it in your hand.
Then I can't remember. Mira, I found it. I found it.